Hello my dear student, welcome you here in this lecture number 70 for that topic, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Now we have been learning regarding the structure of ovule or megasporangium. We have seen that ovule is one of the very important part of the flower for the sake of reproduction, because ovule is an egg producing organ. Egg is the female gamete without which the fertilization cannot take place. And therefore without ovule the plant will not be able to produce the seeds and the new plant. Okay, तो ये egg कैसे बनता है and where it is formed, that story we are learning. We have seen that the ovule which is present inside the ovary of the gynoecium of the flower has got a central mass known as the nucellus, and inside that nucellus one of the diploid cell becomes very active known as megaspore mother cell. तो ये कथा हम यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं. Particularly one of the cell is very active there inside the nucellus. अब इसके बाहर इंटेग्यूमेंट्स है, nucellus के बहुत सारे सेल्स है, इंटेग्यूमेंट्स आर देयर, स्टॉक ऑफ द ओव्यूल इज देयर, माइक्रोपाइल इज देयर. ये अलग अलग चीजें हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे माइक्रोपाइलर एंड हम ऊपर दिखा रहे हैं, यानी ऐसा पहले जो एक फिगर निकाला था ना हमने that in that lecture number 68, तो वैसा. So micropylar end is at the up. Now here nucellus is having that one cell which becomes very active, dynamic and enlarged, known as megaspore mother cell. वैसे तो nucellus में sporogenous tissue कहते हैं उसे. It contains large number of the diploid cells and all cells have got the potential to act as like the megaspore mother cell. पर उसमें से एक को लकी चांस मिलता है and that becomes enlarged and that gets activated, and this enlarged cell is now called as megaspore mother cell. वो diploid है और उसका abbreviation भी मैंने बताया था आपको. What is that abbreviation? MMC. Okay, MMC का मतलब megaspore mother cell, that is diploid. Okay, double MC मत कहो, that is MMC, that is megaspore mother cell. Now this megaspore mother cell has got prominent nucleus, cytoplasm, dense cytoplasm with that having all reserve food material and everything, and now it is ready to undergo meiosis division. So it undergoes meiosis division in the first part known as meiosis 1. So हमको मालूम है meiosis 1 is actual the division which is reduction division. So a single diploid megaspore mother cell will produce megaspore diode. ये दो cells बन गए हैं and both the cells are haploid. That both megaspores are haploid. Okay, so two cells are formed there. They are known as megaspores and they are called the megaspore diode. Now this undergoes meiosis 2. इसका फिर meiosis 2 हो जाता है. And what do you mean by meiosis 2? In meiosis 2, each cell will produce two cells. Each cell will produce two cells. Total megaspore tetrad will be formed, and this will be known as a linear tetrad. पोलन टेट्रा जो था वो कैसा था? टेट्राहेड्रल था. ये कैसा है? That is all linear, एक ही लाइन में है, and all are haploid cells. Okay, तो यहाँ तक ध्यान में आ गया. This process is including the meiosis division, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Only one cell out of many from the nucellus becomes very active, and that diploid cell is known as the megaspore mother cell. That is called as the double M, that is called as MMC, not double MC. Sure, double MC नहीं आना चाहिए. So particular that females को. Then that MMC, megaspore mother cell, it becomes very large and dynamic, and that process starts now known as meiosis division. इसको हम अलग नाम दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे megasporogenesis. You know that megasporogenesis or meiosis occurs in two parts, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, a single megaspore mother cell will produce two haploid megaspores. That is called megaspore diode that I have shown. and now each of that cell from megaspore diet undergoes meiosis division, that is meiosis 2, which is equational. So every cell will produce two cells. Total 4 cells will be formed, all haploid, and they are arranged in a linear tetrad. अब यहां से थोड़ा किस्सा अलग बन जाता है, कहानी में ट्विस्ट है. अब ये 4 मेगास्पोर्स तो बन गए, बट आउट ऑफ दैट 3 मेगास्पोर्स गेट डीजनरेटेड. 4 में से 3 तो डीजनरेट हो जाते हैं. डीजनरेट का मतलब दे लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ एंड अल्टीमेटली लॉस्ट. वो बिल्कुल अल्टीमेटली लॉस हो जाते हैं, उसका कुछ यूज नहीं होता, डेड हो जाते हैं. That 3 megaspores degenerate, particularly 3 megaspores, upper 3 megaspores from micropylar end degenerate, and only 1 megaspore, that is 4th megaspore from micropylar end, and the first from chalazal end becomes active and goes on developing the so-called female gametophyte or embryo sac. ये MCQ के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. 4 मेगास्पोर तो बन गए, पर 4 में से 3 डीजेनरेट होते हैं. वो कौन से? The 3 megaspores undergoing degeneration are towards micropylar end, and the 4th functional megaspore is present 4th from micropylar end, 1st from chalazal end. chalazal end से पहला और micropylar end से 4th, that undergoes further division. now एक ही जिंदा रहता है और वही एक मेगास्पोर अपने कुल का नाम रोशन कर देता है. ओके, अब वो कैसे बनाता है फीमेल गामेटोफाइट? दैट स्टोरी इज आल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. नाउ दिस मेगास्पोर विच इज प्रेजेंट देयर, ये सिंगल मेगास्पोर, दिस इज हैविंग सिंगल न्यूक्लियस. ओके, सो दिस इज वन न्यूक्लिएट मेगास्पोर. ओके, ये जो है वो पहला दिखाया वाला. देन इट अंडरगोज फ्री माइटोटिक डिविजन्स, फ्री व्हाट इज दैट, न्यूक्लियर माइटोटिक डिविजन्स टू फॉर्म 2 न्यूक्लिएट. ये 2 न्यूक्लिएट हो गया, ये हो गया 4 न्यूक्लिएट, 4 न्यूक्लिएट, और ये हो गए 3 और 1 4, 3 और 1 4, टोटल 8 न्यूक्लिएट. So 3 mitotic divisions occur. How many? This single megaspore will undergo 3 mitotic divisions successive. जैसे 3 गेंदों पे 3 4 मार दिए हैं या 3 6 मार दिए हैं, वैसे 3 mitotic divisions, and they are called as the free nuclear divisions. What do you mean by free nuclear divisions? यानी जनरली हमको मालूम है माइटोसिस कैसा होता है. First of all, nuclear division occurs called as the karyokinesis. Then that karyokinesis के बाद में immediately एक न्यूक्लियस के 2 बनने के बाद immediately cytokinesis हो जाता है, and that cytoplasm also divides, and then 2 cells are formed. Okay, तो यहाँ पे cytoplasm पहले divide नहीं हो रहा है, only nuclei are multiplying. 1 nucleus will produce 2, 2 will produce 4, 4 will produce 8, and that's why 1 2 3. ये माइटोसिस 1, माइटोसिस 2, माइटोसिस 3, ये 3 माइटोटिक डिविजन्स हो गए. ओके, एंड 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड स्ट्रक्चर इज फॉर्म. अब देखो इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट कैसा है. आउट ऑफ दैट 8 न्यूक्लिया, 3 न्यूक्लिया माइग्रेट टूवर्ड्स द दैट माइक्रोपाइलर एंड, 3 माइग्रेट टूवर्ड्स द चैलाजल एंड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो बनते हैं 3 माइक्रोपाइलर एंड पे, अभी यहाँ पे उल्टा करके दिखा है, ये माइक्रोपाइलर एंड है, ये चैलाजल एंड है. 3 माइग्रेट टुवर्ड्स द चैलाजल एंड, ये चैलाजल एंड करके लिखा है, एंड दे आर नोन एज एंटीपोडल सेल. दे गेट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इनटू द एंटीपोडल सेल्स. ये 3 सेल्स एंटीपोडल सेल्स हैं. दे आर ऑल हैप्लॉइड 3 सेल्स. ओके, यानी ट्रिप्लॉइड नहीं है, वो हर एक सेल हैप्लॉइड है. ओके, देन दैट 2 पोलर न्यूक्लिया, ये दो पोलर न्यूक्लिया दो साइड से आए हुए, दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम टू साइड्स. ओके, टू पोलर न्यूक्लिया आर फॉर्मिंग सेंट्रल सेल, and that central cell is particularly diploid. Okay, and then this is egg apparatus, three cells, three nuclei which are present towards the micropylar end now get organized into the three cells. One is the central cell known as egg, and that is the haploid female gamete, and two cells are the that synergids. Two synergids, they are helping cells, I told you. They are assistant of that egg, and that they are helping in the, they are also haploid, and these three cells are forming so called egg apparatus. तो total cell कितने हो गए दोस्तों? 3 cells of egg apparatus, 3 cells of antipodal cell, and one is in the middle known as the central cell. 7 celled and 8 nucleated female gametophyte, or what you say that embryo sac is formed. 7 celled and 8 nucleated female gametophyte is formed. Embryo sac is formed. ये उसकी कथा है. इसके बारे में तो हमने बिल्कुल, ये इसका स्ट्रक्चर तो हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी देखा है. So out of 7 cells, 3 cells are antipodal cells towards callosal end. 3 cells are present towards micropylar end known as the egg apparatus. One is egg and the other are two synergids. ये synergids जो है उसमें special thickening of that cell wall is there formed, and they are giving rise to one of the structure known as, जो red color से मैंने दिखाया है, filiform apparatus. And this filiform apparatus will help in the process of fertilization to guide the pollen tube towards the female gamete. वो हम fertilization के टाइम लर्न करेंगे. तो ध्यान में आ गया. ये टर्म देखो, conversion of megaspore mother cell into megaspores. 4 megaspore is known as megasporogenesis, and formation of that female gametophyte from megaspore is known as megagametogenesis. तो ये पूरी की पूरी स्टोरी अच्छी तरह से लर्न करो. यू कैन रिवाइंड that video, and again you can see that, you can learn that, but this is very very important article. Okay, so I'm confident that you must have understood this. ये फिगर्स भी हमें निकालने आना चाहिए. ओके, उसकी भी प्रैक्टिस करो, एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू द पार्ट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक्स अ लॉट.